Today's news is sponsored by American Retirement Systems, providing competitive solutions for agents and advisors. For more information, please visit AmericanRetirementSystems.com. Now for today's headlines. The Federal Deposit Insurance Corporation is looking into whether life insurers misled consumers about retained death benefits and is asking companies to clearly communicate that funds are not guaranteed by the U.S. government. According to a letter from FDIC Chairman Sheila Bair to the National Association of Insurance Commissioners, an initial review of the issue shows that many consumers may mistakenly believe that accounts are insured by the FDIC. She added that it is illegal to misrepresent FDIC coverage. Her letter states, "I am writing to express our serious concerns. Insurers should explain that these accounts are not FDIC insured, and that fact should be clearly and conspicuously disclosed, not only to policyholders but also to their beneficiaries at the time of the policyholder's death." A recent report in Bloomberg Market magazine found that more than 100 carriers have profited by holding and investing $28 billion owed to life insurance beneficiaries. According to Bair, quote, "If that is the case, it would seem disclosure and explanation of these guarantees to beneficiaries and policyholders would be appropriate. We believe it is important to avoid public confusion." Unquote. In housing news, banks repossessed the second highest number of homes ever last month, as Americans continue to face foreclosures due to the slow job market, according to RealtyTrack. Banks continue to work through distressed loans that were already in their books, rather than producing a flood of new default notices. Banks took over 92,858 properties for the month, a 9% increase from the previous month and a 6% rise year over year. Overall, foreclosure activity, which includes notice of default, scheduled auction, and repossession, climbed 4% from June, with 1 in every 397 housing units receiving a foreclosure filing. The number of Americans filing new claims for unemployment insurance rose unexpectedly last week, reaching its highest level in nearly 6 months, according to the Labor Department. The number of new claims climbed 2,000 to 484,000 during the week ended August 7th, the second consecutive weekly increase. Meanwhile, the 4-week moving average of new filings rose 14,250 to 473,500, the highest level seen since late in February. For more on the industry, visit producersweb.com.